I'm Colton. We're over here at ProtouringTexas.com. Check out this 1964 Chevelle that we built. Supercharged LT4 motor, just like what you would find in a C7 Z06 Corvette. 8-speed automatic, 6-piston Willwood brakes. If you sneeze on the brakes too hard, you will end up in the dash of this car. Ridetech full suspension, strong arms, along with their Ridetech coilovers. This thing floats like a Cadillac and will sting like a bee. Billet specialty razor wheels. They were coated in a bronze powder coat, and it just kind of matched that look that we were going for. Just a bitchin' set of nice wheels. It looks good. The car is sitting on nitto Invo 305 40 18s. We could have gone bigger. The car is mini tub. We just wanted more of that factory style feel and factory style look. We did do Dakota digital gauges, and the customer wanted vintage air AC, so it's got full factory style AC and heat, so you could drive this car anywhere and be comfortable while sitting in it. Protouring Texas boxed and braced chassis. This is a budget friendly option for anyone that's wanting that high quality factory feel, but a suspension that will take care of anything that you want it to. So it's triangulated, it is all boxed, it is braced, it does have a Ford 9-inch rear end, so any of those tire roasting burnouts and autocross sessions that you want to do, it will take it all. This car could go Power Tour, Rocky Mountain Race Week. You could take this thing to Good Guys and do their autocross. You could take it to Ennis or wherever. This just happens to be a Texas vehicle. Take it to the drag strip. You could do anything. If you wanted to drive this car across the country tomorrow, I promise you this car could do that.